what's up everybody? It's 3-Valve Wednesday. I'm pumped. Hey, I'm Brent. You're watching Brenspeed TV. Thanks so much for watching. Today's an 08 GT. We're going to watch a Dyno pull, Paxton Supercharger. This car lays down great power. It's a California special. We're going to go over the mods. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, so what mods are on this car? Well, first I want to tell you it does have a stock exhaust manifolds. Most of the videos you watch, I know you see long tube headers. They're not on the car at this time, but it's our Paxton. It's our throwback package. And what's cool, it's polished. Doug, come down here, take a look. Most of the videos you watch, everyone gets satin. This is a nice polished Novi 1200 Supercharger. You get the Paxton Supercharger kit, 47-pound fuel injectors, a booster pump, Kohler spark plugs, proper tune. We did do an IAT relocation kit. We have Detroit rocker cams. We love those. We also installed while I was here an aluminum drive shaft. It's a sweet setup, but that is our Paxton throwback package. I will put a link in the description. You're gonna hear a lot more about it. Easy way to add over 150 real horsepower to your stock 05 to 10 Mustang GT. But check out this dyno pull. All right, I love the sound of this 3-valve. It has Flowmaster mufflers on it. It's cool. And something I did forget to mention is that a delete plates on this as well. Next step, long tube headers. Check out the dyno numbers. Dynojet SAE Smoothing 5, 475 real horsepower, peaking at 1600 RPM. Torque coming in at 411, peaking at 5300 RPM. Awesome power on a manual transmission. We are running 93 octane. 08 GTCS, cool setup. The throwback is one of our most popular packages. You can get it like in satin or polish. And a lot of you might ask, you know, what's the difference between the Paxton and the Vortec? Well, as far as the non-intercooled or throwback package, or you get the Vortec non-intercooled, it's the same supercharger, same kit, different logos on it. You know, some of you are like Vortec fans, some of you are Paxton fans, same thing. Now, if you want to go HO, which are intercooled kits, the Paxton's air-to-air intercooled, and the Vortec, which is still the 1200, the Paxton's 2200, big boy. The Vortec has a liquid cooled kit. And I'll put links to those as well in the description. You can open up, read more about it. And I'm gonna put links at the end of this video to a 3-valve playlist that has well over 100 supercharged Mustang videos. You can watch and figure out what kind of powers it make, what setups on the car. But this is stock manifolds, delete plates, our throwback kit. That's a sweet setup, and the Detroit rocker cams. Have any questions, leave a comment. You simply email quote@brenspeed.com and say, what's this cost to get built? We're in Indiana, and on our website, everything I just showed you can ship right to your door. We have them in stock. Thanks for watching.